Okay, let's get ready and do the mechanical lobby. So mechanical for the lobby. Here it is up here. I've gone to my project browser. I found the floor plans. Remember, if your project browser goes away, you go to the view bar, view ribbon, and way over to user interface and make sure your project browser and your properties are visible. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go to one mech lobby, double click. And I'm going to set it for course. Here it is right here, the checkerboard. Course. Ah, that looks a little bit better. Now it gives me kind of a line drawing. Kind of cool. And then I'm going to go to annotate. And the first thing I want to do is tag everything. So tag by category. Find one of these kind of air terminals. I'm going to pull it outside. Grab the little bar so that it looks. There we go. So that says that this is a 24 by 24 face with a 12 by 12 connection, 500 CFM, and its face elevation is at 12 feet. So I want it, they're all the same. All four of them are the same. So I'm going to add just a piece of text right here, and I'm going to make sure that it's centered. Wrong size. Let me do that again. Centered, all that kind of stuff. Let's get the 3/32 size. I'm holding my mouse wheel down right there. I have my A selected, and this is going to say typical this zone. I'll click outside it. There it goes. That's kind of nice looking. I can move it up a little bit if I want. There we go. So that was the annotate tab, the A button, centered, and 3/32 size. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this. Tag by category. And let me just see. If I click on it, it tells me the properties. Lower, 19, 2 and 5/16. The same. Those are all the same. They're the same size, same everything. So I can also then tag by category my ducting. And if I click this little button right here, click, turns it upwards for me. And this should also say text, centered, blah, blah, blah. Put it right in there. Typical this zone. So now I know what's in there. I didn't say to put a tag on this. Okay, so we're going to leave that alone for now. It's more, we'll do that in other classes. So now I want to take from the wall to my center line. And from my center line of my ducting to the center line of my ducting, so that gives them some distances to play with. See if I can get those to pop to the other part of the wall. I don't think it will because I'm actually trying to do this to my architectural one. And then I'll go the same thing here from my wall to here. There we go. So that's got my room, my floor plan properly dimensioned. Better save my work. There we go. Almost done there. Thinking, thinking, thinking. There we go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go place that on a view. You've kind of done these before. I'm going to come down. It's a plan view. So I can right click, add a view, and pick my floor plan 1 mechanical lobby. And just stick it up there somewhere. There we go. Save that, and that's a good spot. If you've got that done, you're getting a lot of credit. So let's hold on, let's save that and make sure that you're in good shape. And in our next video, we'll do the other two zones.